So you've just installed your FiTech EFI system, you go for your first startup, and you're getting a loud sucking noise, almost like a vacuum leak. What's causing this? Today on FiTech's Tech Tuesday, we're going to show you what that is and how to correct it. When you first get your FiTech EFI system, we set up the throttle body from factory in a predetermined location. This is not necessarily going to be set up properly for your engine. So when you go to start it up the first time, you're going to get this loud sucking noise that a lot of people think is a vacuum leak. Well, indeed, it is not. It's just a throttle adjustment, and it's a feature of the EFI system that's going to help you later on down the road. And this is called the idle air control motor. What the idle air control motor does is it controls the idle speed of the engine by opening or closing a vacuum port. So it's not really a vacuum port, but it's a leaking point with a plunger that allows more or less air in or out of the engine to bring the idle speed up or down. If this is misadjusted, this noise is going to be even louder, and today we're going to show you that. So let's fire up the engine. You'll get a hear of what that whistling noise sounds like, and then we're going to correct it by adjusting the throttle. So the adjustment of the idle air motor is pretty simple. What we're going to start with is we're going to get the engine started up to operating temperature, and then we're going to go into our handheld to a section called idle set mode. We're going to turn this feature on, which is then going to allow us to adjust the throttle adjustment screw on the throttle body to set it perfect for your engine. So there you have it. With a little bit of a throttle adjustment, we got the vacuum noise, sucking noise going away. The engine runs quiet and smooth, but I do want to bring up on a large cubic inch motor and something with a big camshaft, this noise is going to be more prevalent just because those motors require a lot more air to be pulled into the motor when they're cold or even when running. So the cold adjustments are going to have a little bit more noise when running those engines. But that's okay, because that big cubic inch motor or big cam, I'm pretty sure you got a pretty loud exhaust at the same time. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. If you have any questions about today's video or suggestions for future videos, please comment them down below.